Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to show you the updates for FET AI targets updates with my custom maker set. Guys, take a look. Take a look. The FEP, absolutely the same FEP, the same levels. I didn't change nothing on this chart. We tracked this token since 2023, and we landed back till penny to 18 level by FEP. Some guy trying to troll, oh, why you show the these magic lines? It's not a magic lines. It's just a FEP what we track 2 years before it's happening. So we didn't change. So we not rewrote the chart, and it gives us the confidence. So everything is relevant on this chart. So we can continue work with this chart, with this just simple FEP. So that's why the main purpose of the FEP, to check at the end if the level's correct or wrong. If wrong, we can adjust it to find the more accurate levels and find the steps of the market makers, because I'm more than sure that market makers use the bots, the soft, and that's why the price magically stop it or pump it to some levels, so it's not random. I hear it's it's not a rumor, it's just some facts. Even some investigation on the bubble maps you can go and check. Intel Desk, they opened the case about the FET AI. Now it's combined at 3 projects. So the Ocean protocol hide some FET tokens, right, and dumping it like around 200 millions or something like this one. So it's kind of weird. So every single week and a month they dump it. So they sell the market. So it's kind of strange, and a lot of guys things so shady behind the projects. Unfortunately, we trust that developers, that guys, that teams, so they work on something for the retails. So they try to deliver something for the industry in general, right? And at the end, the main purpose just wrecks the retails, sell the dream. So, oh, you need to buy now. You need to buy at $2 because here, take a look. They add something on the roadmap. They post something on social media. Wow, take a look. This is a crazy partnership. We skyrocket to the moon. While the same time, they sell behind our backs. It's kind of weird. That's why all of this story about decentralization, about we don't need the regulation because institutional wrecked us. No, the retails, the teams wrecked the retails more than some institutional. Institutional not playing with the small cap tokens. They play with the BTC. They do the same, but in different scale. So guys, we landed back to the 18 level by FEP, 12 cents, bounce at zone, absolutely relevant. Unfortunately, yes, here, 2 moments, so sad, we sad moment. First one, maybe you and me, just lose the momentum, and maybe the altcoin season, real altcoin season was here. So makes sense, right? Because take a look, the FET AI, just pump it, how much? 6,000%. Amazing rally. Even more, 6,500. So that was a crazy altcoin season. Injective pump it, render pump it, a lot of meme coins pump it. So a lot of altcoins, guys, pump it like crazy. And we just missed it the right, because we brainwashed it, maybe me personally, with some other tokens, right? And maybe some promises from that project, but of course we just work with that current data what we got, right? So at that moment, so maybe guys, maybe the main altcoin isn't already done, and we need to wait another one. How long we need to wait, I have no idea. That time we spent over the year, I guess. So maybe we need to wait 1 more year and in the same zone. To buy back now FET AI or not, it's up to you guys. Of course, all tokens is just absolutely pure speculation. We are now around the best zone to buy again. So it's 12 cents till 3 cents. So in this range, you can accumulate. If you believe in the AI sector, you can accumulate it. Maybe we'll not drop now again to this block. Maybe we can't know. Technically, it's kind of weird why we dump it so aggressively, right? And stop it exactly at that level. It's kind of weird. So weekly time frame, guys. So we're ready. One one from not so many tokens which already made a correction to 0.5 level by FET of the week. In previous videos, I showed you examples. So we need to, usually we can come back to 0.5 level by FET of the weeks. When we see some correction or crazy dumps, flash crash, we can come back to the 50%. The same story work even for the pumps. So we already done it. So if we go lower, so yes, it's the next step, like 21.42, 16.97, 15 cents, and maybe one more time dump inside the global accumulation zone. So if you're not ready, guys, to see the potential like 53, 57% to this order block, just skip it. If you feel okay to accumulate a Fetch AI now, and you believe in the AI sector, so we'll see another leg up, the new narrative, maybe something new about AI, you can buy it. Of course, I hope the AI will stay with us, not like NFT, right? Because it's not like basic JPEGs. But we need some new hype around the sector. Now nothing, no hype. Just OpenAI, some not a crypto project hype it in AI sector. So just browsers and agents hype it. So hard to say, guys, how high we're gonna pump. The conservative price target, guys, of course, if this token is not a pure scam, at least it's $2.67. It just bounced to 2.61 level by FET going down to bear market. So maybe this is just a channel. I'm not a fan of channels, So here, maybe it is what it is. So here, this is just like a channel. The channel can be like this one or wider. Here, like this one. So we can't know in the moment, right? So maybe it was the beginning of the channel and we started. Let's extend it to the line to the right here. Top, drop, bounce, equilibrium, drop, bounce. Now we almost touch the low. So if we will come back and test the third touch of the channel, it can be like 3rd November or beginning of the November and the touch of 4 cents. I hope not. 3 cents, 4.89. At 3 cents 89, maybe even I gonna buy the Fetch AI just for speculation. After that, the top of this channel, guys, based on this logic, it could be, I don't know, June 27. I'm not sure. So maybe it's gonna be, I don't know, maybe here, April, May 26, 235 with the week candle like 267. So just in case, guys, maybe this is a channel. We can't know. We will see only after the fact. The FET absolutely relevant. So this is zone of accumulation. Next one, $1.75, 267, 358, 414. Here I remember the people screaming we're going to the moon to the $5 to $10. I posted the video, so it's not the right time to buy. And we will come back. You will see we will come back to take profit by line. And here I posted the video, so we so overhype it. People screaming, are you idiot? You're idiot. We never drop it back to the buy line, but we dump it. Here, of course, it took a time, March 24, and we dumped to the buy line in February 25. So almost after the year, we dump it. After that, we dump it on the fundamental value of the token, consolidate here, and wrecked with Donald Trump. So guys, never say never. Don't fall in love in any token. So if the fetch is not special, just a basic token for speculation. Usually, what I can say, if this is a like a drop and another drop, we can see at least bounce 50% of this range. So it's $1.59, more than real to see. $1.80, more than real to see. What will be next? It's hard to say. At least if you feel okay, accumulate now with the DCA, you can do this one. My zone of interest is here. If we dump under 12 cents or to 3 cents, maybe I will tie this token. I don't want to buy any token now for the spot. I'm already down with the spot positions. So this is it. So now we trade way under fundamental value, take profit 159, exit line $1.80. Done. Daily we try hold the line here at 0.5 level by FET of the week candle. Buy line 39 cents, take profit 78.21, exit line 88.02. This is what about take profits monthly. By the way, we got some data on a monthly time frame. Not yet. Not yet. All right. So set. Take a look. The trade on the monthly time to buy was here in August, somewhere too. And here was a sell confirmation, buy back, small bounces, buy back. I don't see any signal to close position to take profit. We need to see something like this one on a weekly. Here's a sell, fun, right? Guys, take a look. Made somewhere 5. We saw the signal to sell. How the indicators identified just by logic, by data, by code, what I added into that indicator. Of course, you can't trade it just by single indicator, but it was a kind of strange signal to sell, two in row signals to sell. After that, some consolidation with a low, small buybacks, and only after the dump we got a little signal buyback. So for the next cycle, I rebuilt my strategy, for investment, and I'm gonna wait only the weekly time frame, buy signal or take profit or fundamental value. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with that stupid speculations, because when we dump. We get another dump, another bottom like a gift. So I'm more than enough with that gift. I'm not touching the FET AI, but I'm about other tokens. So congrats everybody who took a profit at the right moment and the right time with the FET AI. So my zone of interest I showed you. All the time, guys, by the way, people browse the videos and where to buy. Sometimes you need to where the videos where to sell. Daily time frame, buyback, some buyback was here. Weekly, some volume inflow now 3 weeks in a row in the FET, the AI. That's why I would be not surprised if we will or drop it down and bounce like a V-shape recover move, or hold the line here and going higher from now. So anyway, I believe, I can be absolutely wrong. This coin can go to zero. Maybe we can't know, but I believe we will be over than $1, $1.75. So that's it. Now some accumulation. Somebody accumulated this token, but it's on a Binance. What is bad? We didn't touch the bottom on the money power indicator on the weekly. Market mood, monthly disbelief. We never seen before the disbelief area. Now the FET AI, the hype is gone in AI sector, and now we're in disbelief area zone. This is capitulation also. At least when we dump to capitulation, we can consolidate it here so long, but after that, we bounce at least like 100%. So once again, guys, if you're ready to accumulate at 24, be ready to see the price under 6 cents, one take for DCA. And if everything will be okay, be ready at 50 cents, withdraw your initial deposit. So build a plan. Build a plan, guys. Direction indicator, no signal for accumulation. Here, last signal was here, June somewhere 3, we pump it. Time to out. I posted the video, you can find it. Here's also accumulation, we bounce it. We bounced a pretty good one, like in average, I'm not counting from the bottom. Here it was like 100 for sure. So that's why maybe the indicator signals us trade on, so we need to out because of the 100%, so trade on, calculate some data and find out, so we need to out. Take a look at the direction I can close. ADZ, what is good? Last time when we trade in this ADZ indicator zone on the weekly, we was here in August 19. This kind of interesting. I don't think so. We will see some parabolic move like this one. Skyrocket to the moon. No. But at least, guys, conservative one, this one, and this one. After that, we need to track the data. Maybe it's going to be the end of cycle like this one. Consolidation here at somewhere 7, somewhere 8, and maybe in somewhere 13 we're going to hit the $4. Who knows? But now, kind of weird situation with the FET AI. On a monthly, all this period was a distribution. Now, soon, I guess we're going to drop to the accumulation zone. So on weekly looks attractive, just for speculation. 100% pump, withdraw initial deposit, and leave free tokens. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about FET AI. By the way, on daily, we're also in accumulation. If you like to trade with my custom indicator set, write me DM. By the way, here, this one. Uncover Ocean Protocols, 120 million FET dump. Wow. So if you would like to trade with indicator sats, get a discount, 20%. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.